Hey guys, it's Matt from Emluke, and today I'll be showing you how to add green screen effects into your video. If you're using a green screen, please skip to the next part of this video where I'll be showing you how to add green screen effects from there. If you do not have a green screen, do watch this video. But I do suggest you get a green screen because this method is a bit more tedious. A green paper or cloth will work. Make sure it is entirely green and smooth. So for this video, you'll be needing Photoshop and have iMovie, which is totally free. Or you can also use Final Cut Pro. What we will be going through in this video is making the background of your animation green. So let's begin. First, let's open up Photoshop. Alright, so we have Photoshop. So basically all you need to do to get started is to go to your Finder and drag in the picture you want to edit. So right now your picture is inside Photoshop. So basically if your background is all the same color, all you should do is go to this paint bucket right over here, make sure this green is selected, and you just have to press. And basically your whole background is green. If your background is not all the same color, then you can go to paintbrush and you can color your background as well. It's again more tedious. Alright, so after this, you hit Command S, which will save it, click OK, and it should be inside your Finder. So that's all for now. You have to do that for almost every one of your photos because it's not green, and that's why I said it's more tedious. So anyway, now you can move on to the next video. You're ready for the next video, and if there's any way that's easier than this, please comment below. So yeah, alright, see you in the next video.